Adventure day imminent. Let's go exploring in the Taco. Check out this travel, guys. Stock Tacoma. It's got some pretty good travel. Check this out. Damn. It's not bad. It's like a lowrider in the back. Let's go exploring. Let's go see what a two-wheel drive Tacoma can do off-road. Maybe. I don't know. Or just go explore it, really. This thing is super high up. Like, look at this. I gotta actually jump in this. Like, for the first time. Oh my gosh. Wow. That's a big jump. Let's see if she'd go down. Oh, like butter. Like cake. Easy. Alright. Let's go exploring. I found this trail. Left or right. I might actually pick a left. And we'll go from there. So far, Tacoma hasn't had any problems, guys. It's not too bad. Two-wheel drive truck is not bad at all. Just steady pace, basically, even with stock tires. It's not bad. It's aired down a little bit. 20 in the rear, about 25 to 30 in the front, so it's doing a lot better. More traction, obviously. But the Taco just squeezes right through these little trails. Catch you guys shortly and see what we come across. Guys, the Taco just goes. For being two-wheel drive, it goes. I mean, I've never been over here before, but it just goes. Which I'm surprised, actually, for being a two-wheel drive truck. It's not bad at all. Obviously, I ain't gonna go down there. That's death. But we'll try up here. There's some rocks. Check this out. Let's see if we can't get up here. We'll see if the Taco can get up this. You know, it doesn't look bad on video, but that ain't. That's pretty steep, and we'll see. I'm gonna set you guys up. Guys, that was a two-wheel drive truck. That's good. That impresses me dramatically of this Taco that I have. You know what? The rest gets pretty tough. We'll go take a look. Beautiful view, by the way. I've never been up here before. It's a little windy, just a little bit, and we all know how GoPro cameras are in the wind. Horrible. Not bad. Let's go take a look up here. This is some loose gravel. We got some more rocks, but it's still traction, so it's not bad. Well, let's go find out. You know, I think the Taco can make it, but possibly this incline right here. This might not kill the Taco, but stop it. So we're pretty high up now. And it's really windy. Extremely windy. Holy shit. Okay, let's get down. Let's set you guys up again. Another dramatic Taco. This time let's this truck is absolutely amazing. Holy shit, it's windy. This truck is amazing.